Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Atlas O, Lionel, and MTH. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Atlas O will be producing 2 exclusive snow plows for Train World, one in Long Island Railroad colors and one in special Christmas colors. Each snowplow is available in 2 road numbers and delivery is expected in late 2024. The early order price is $99.99 each. Lionel Trains will be producing 2 limited edition boxcars for the Knights of Columbus. First, the Keep Christ in Christmas 2024 boxcar can be pre-ordered for $95 including shipping, with delivery expected in December 2024. The Knights of Columbus 4th Degree boxcar may also be pre-ordered for $95 with a delivery expected in February 2025. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive 6-car wood-sided passenger car set in Blue Comet colors for Brady's Trains Outlet. No estimated delivery date has been announced. The 6-car set costs $1,500. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive Pennsylvania Railroad wood-sided reefer for Brady's Train Outlet. No estimated delivery date has been announced for the models, which are priced at $75 each. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive Reading and Northern scale bay window caboose for Grzybowski's Train Store. The cabooses are expected to arrive in late 2024. The pre-order price is $119.95 each. Lionel Trains will be producing an exclusive Santa Baby boxcar for Train World. Delivery is expected in late 2024. The early order price is $79.99 each. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 Premier O-Scale flat car with 2 pup trailers in Chesapeake and Ohio with Timken trailers, Boston and Maine with Granite State Potato Chips trailers, Duluth, Mesabi and Iron Range with Farmers Union trailers, Union Pacific with Kool-Aid trailers, and Frisco with Butler Brown Shoes varieties this fall. Each car will be available in 2 different car numbers and is expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in October 2024. The suggested retail price is $89.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge ES44AC diesel locomotive in New York Central CSX Heritage colors for Train World. The locomotive will be available in 2 unique cab numbers and will be produced in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in August 2024. The early order price is $419.99. And MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 462 P47 Baldwin Pacific steam locomotive in classic Jersey Central colors for Patrick's Trains. The locomotives will be available in extremely limited quantities beginning in September 2024. The early order price is $1,229.99. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And a programming note: from May through July 2024, we will be publishing our long-format videos every other Saturday to allow time to pursue outdoor activities and family time. Episode 189 is scheduled for publishing on June 8, 2024 at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The What's New in O-Gauge series will continue weekly publication every Tuesday at 9 a.m. to provide you with new product information throughout the summer. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.